In front of me is Apple iPad Air 5th generation, and let me show you how to create Memoji on this device. So first of all, you need to open some area where you can input some text. It can be message, mail, or even your notes. So I will start with notes. Let me switch the pen off and create a new one. Here we've got new note. Now tap on emoji icon, and here you will be able to see Memoji area. To create your sticker, tap on continue, and let's get started. So just click on get started, and first of all you need to pick your skin color. Okay, so let me choose this one, then add some freckles if you want to. Now you can brush your cheeks a bit, then also pick the area. Now add some beauty spots if you want to. Then select your hairstyle. So here we've got all of them. You definitely have a lot of stuff to pick from. So let me go with, for example, this one. Then choose the color. And you can also add some highlights, sorry. You can also pick their color. Okay, so let me finish the hairstyle. Now let's go to browse, so just pick the color and also the shape. And then let's go to eyes. So also the color and also shape of your eyes. Then you can also add it separately, but I would like to pick both of them at once. And then the eyelashes, and also eyeliner if you'd like to add some makeup. So that's it. And then let's go to head. So here you can pick the age of your Memoji, then shape of your face, and then let's go to nose. So it's just the same, just pick the particular nose that you would like to apply, and then piercing if you would like to add some piercing to your character. Also oxygen tube if you would like to apply it. Then let's customize your mouth, so also pick the shape, also the color, and choose your teeth. I will add bracelets, then piercing if you would like to, and let's switch to ears. So smoothly pick the particular one, and also you can add some earrings. I will add AirPods, and you can even pair it. Okay. Then click on facial hair, and if you'd like to add it, you can smoothly do it. Then eyewear. So just pick your glasses if you own one. You can obviously pick the color. And here, if you'd like to add iPad, you can also do it. Then headgear. So you can do whatever you want here. Just pick the one that you like the most, that also you own maybe. So you are similar to your character, to your Memoji. So you can pick this one. Now you can also add some face covering and also change its color. But I would like to leave it this way without any mask. Then you can add some second head if you would like to have it around. Let me choose this one, maybe in some other color. Okay, so just for the colors. So it's not the second head, but the colors of your hair, of your actually headgear. Okay, so let me leave it this way, but I would like to stay with this one, and then go to Clothen. So here you've got everything. We can pick this one and then just pick the colors. So let me leave it this way. Then tap on done and your Memoji is active. So from now on, just give it a couple of seconds. You will be able to use it. So now if you'd like to add it, you can smoothly add any Memoji of yours. Here if you'll tap on more, you will be able to choose from the virus reactions. So this is it. This is how you can create Memoji, how you can use it, customize it. Obviously then you can change it whenever you want to. Just tap on Memoji again, and if you'd like to edit this one, tap on more and click on new Memoji or edit. It's up to you. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.